Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another method for Python, which is a split. So there are multiple ways in which we can utilize split method for different requirements. Okay, so one by one we will go with each scenario and then we'll see the output. Fine. So let's see the first scenario. Here, why we are using split method? We are using split method to break down the string into list. Okay, so whenever there is a requirement where you want to break down your string into list, then in that case you can utilize split method. So let's see the first scenario. Here on line number 9, what we are doing, we are assigning some value to the string variable, which is hello world. Then we are printing it as it is. Just to show you the output, I am printing it as it is before method use. So I concatenate this with string hello world. Now on line number 11 we are using this method, split method. So this is the syntax of using it. You can simply write your variable name dot split. So we can make it as string dot split. So what it will do, it will convert this string into list. Okay, and then we are printing the after method use. So we are concatenating the string after method use. As this is the list, so we are not supposed to use list with you. We are not supposed to concatenate string with list. So I have converted this list to string, and then we are adding \n in order to change the next go to the next line. Fine. So by doing this, it will convert the hello world to string list. Okay, so let's save this, and for opening my terminal I will press Ctrl Shift tilde. This command will open terminal for me, and here I will run the program. So my program name is session 13, so I will make it as 13.py. okay, so you can write in same manner Python session whatever your program name is with .py extension and hit enter. So it will print multiple line because we have printed for all the scenarios, but for now we will discuss only about these initial two lines. Okay, so what you can see here, like before method use it was hello world only, but after method use it converted to a list. So you can see, so by default it break down the string from spaces or blank spaces. Okay, so wherever it finds the blank or space, it will break it into list elements. So you can see hello and world. Okay, so this is the first scenario. Now we will discuss about the second scenario. In second scenario, we are storing some list of fruits. You can see this is a string where apple, banana and orange we have stored. Now we are printing it as it is. So before method use, we just attach the string, and then we are using string dot split, but this time we are passing one argument. So this argument is for for breaking down the entire string from comma. Instead of space, we will use comma to break down the string. Okay, so string dot split. So what it will do, it will it will fetch the data. When it finds the comma, it will break it out. So this is the first element, then this is the second, third for the list, and then we are printing this list by converting it to string and concatenating with this text after method use and \n for next row. So you can see, if I run this, you can see the second scenario. Here you can see before method use it was apple, banana and orange. After method use it becomes apple, banana, orange, but in a list. Okay, so this is the second scenario where we are passing the delimiter by which we want to break out the string. By default it break from space. Now the third scenario. In third scenario we are using string. Inside that we are also using \n for changing the line. So what it will do, it will firstly we will print it as it is, and then we are converting it to list by using split method, and then we are passing the argument as \n. So what it will do, it will break down the list whenever it finds the \n. So let's see the output. Here you can see previously it was line 1, then next line line 2, then next line line 3, but after method use it become line 1, line 2 and line 3. Okay, so this is how we can utilize split method to split the record on the basis of \n. Now we will discuss about the fourth scenario. In fourth scenario, you can see this is a quite simple string where we have just stored hello. Now if you would like to break out this entire string into the list of character, then how we can do this? So for that, firstly we are printing the as it is a string. Before method use string, this is my variable name, and then we are converting it to list using list and function. So inside list I am passing string name, variable name, which is a string, so it converts it to the character list. So after method use, it become like we are converting it the character list to str, means a string, and then we are printing it. So how it would look like, I will do the scroll down. Yes, so before method use it was hello, but after method use it become the each character become the list of the element, so it becomes HELLO. Okay, fine. So now we will discuss about the fifth scenario. So in fifth scenario, what we are doing, we have stored some numbers in a character form like 1 2 3 4 5, and then we are printing it as it is. So before method use it will print as it is line, but after that what we are doing, we are splitting the string from blank 3, and this is 3. So what it will do, it will split it only for 3 times, and then we are printing the output. So let's see what is the output. So you can see, firstly it will, like we have passed blank, so it will do the first split here, then second split here, then third split here. So you can see it become 1 2 3, and this is the 4. So basically it performs three split, first, second and third. So it will provide 4 elements. I hope it is clear to all of you that it perform 3 split, not 3 count. It perform 3 splits. So first one is here, second one is here, third one is here. So by performing 3 split, it will return 4 characters or 4 elements of the list. Okay, so this is all about the fifth scenario. Now we will discuss about the last scenario, which is sixth scenario. So here what we are doing, we are importing one module which is RE, which is related to the regular expression. In detail we will discuss it later, like what is this module and all, but for now we are just importing it, and then we are storing some data in this way: hello 1 2 3 world 4 5 6. So and then we are printing it as it is. So before method use it becomes a string, and below to this what we are doing, we are using re.split method to split down the string on the basis of regular expression pattern. So this is the way through which we can split down the string basis on the regular expression pattern. So argument is r, inside a quote I am passing \d plus. So it will provide the output which will be in a pattern of, let me show you the output. If I do page down, so you can see before method use it was hello world, hello 1 2 3 world 4 5 6, but after the splitting according to the regular expression pattern, it become hello world and blank space. Okay, so these are the scenarios where we can utilize the split method in order to convert the string into list. Okay, as per there are many different scenarios, so as per your requirement you can use any of the scenario. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharemeth.